Bore da, good morning. I thought I'd begin a series on sort of Birdsong Diaries for the spring of 2025. A little bit late off the mark, coming now to 26th of March. But the last few weeks, Birdsong and the Dawn Chorus itself has really started kicking off in a big way. I'm here in North Wales on the side of a mountain near Embers in the heart of Eryri, the national park, and I've come up fairly early in the morning, but I've already missed the main bulk of the Dawn Chorus, which is now happening well before 6, just starting around 5 a.m, and the sort of peak of it is already passing by 5:30, so it's already a bit of an early assault to get out in the mornings to try and enjoy it, although the clocks are going back this weekend, so that's going to help. But yeah, I'm here in a sort of transitionary habitat between the sort of woodlands and lowland pasture and the upland areas, and this habitat with a bit of grazing and scattered trees, gorse, scrub, is called flung in Welsh, and it's one of those like absolutely amazing habitats that contains so many incredible species. I'm listening to a yellowhammer just in front of me here singing from some gorse, and I've just had some linnets fly over, and stone chats, missel thrushes, all these sort of species which generally here year round, but we're now very soon going to be welcoming the arrival of a whole wealth of migratory bird species, things like willow warblers, wind chats. We'll be getting ring ouzels back into the uplands a bit higher up, but they'll stop off in this habitat to feed en route. And I'm here with the trusty old plant pot parabolic. This one I haven't actually done an instructional video for yet. It's a sort of souped up version of my trusty original plant pot parabolic, which mainly included a phone mounted in the middle, which you could listen through earphones whilst using an app to record birdsong. But this one's a little bit more snazzy with a recorder and 2 stereo mics mounted inside, and I'll link a video once I've done a sort of instruction for this, because I've had a lot of people asking how to make one of these ahead of this spring, to start getting out there and recording birdsong, combining it maybe with using Merlin to identify songs once you're out and about with your phone. It can really help to isolate specific species. But yeah, I've just been really enjoying recording just some of the sort of bog standard sort of commoner species. Actually, things like blackbird, missel thrush in this area is quite common, and it's just got such a beautiful song when you listen up close, and it's a species that I've not managed to record much before. But also here we're listening to things like chiffchaffs have just arrived en masse into the sort of willow scrub on the fringes of this area. It's been an absolute delight to start listening and hearing that simple but beautiful song echoing out across the mountains again. So for this first video, I'll just share a few of my favourite species and songs that I've been recording here recently, and hopefully it'll give you a flavour and a bit of inspiration to get out to your local whatever patch or area you've got near you. Just get out in the mornings whenever you can, start listening to the bird song. Try and get out at dawn if you can. It's pretty awesome to listen to the Dawn Chorus, and it's just going to get better and better in the next few weeks, albeit earlier and earlier. So with that, I'll leave you with some scenes from the flung of North Wales, and I hope you enjoy.